If you open your CapCut app and you always feel so confused by all these so many buttons, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will understand every single button in CapCut and editing will finally make sense to you. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Creating, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the CapCut interface step by step so you know what every button does and do when you use it. If you are a beginner, this video is definitely for you. Don't skip this one. So the first thing we'll be talking about is about CapCut. So we can proceed with this CapCut interface if you do not have CapCut. So if you have CapCut in your phone, good and fine. But if you don't, head over to your Play Store, App Store, and download CapCut, because while I'm teaching you, we are doing the practical work, so it makes it more easier for you to understand what we are doing. So enter your CapCut app. Just when you enter your CapCut app, the first page you will be seeing is your home screen. Over here in your home screen, you can find Start a New Project. When you start a new project, this is where real editing takes place. If you tap on New Video, it will take you directly to your gallery where you can add either your video or your picture to start editing. Then the next thing we'll be talking about is the templates. Templates are already edited videos. These are already edited videos. They are very good for quick content if you want to post on your stories, your TikTok, your Facebook, but they are bad for learning. If you keep using templates, you want to create TikTok video, you just upload your picture or your video to a template, you will have the result too, but they will not encourage you to start your own, to start something different, to start something unique. It is very bad for learning. The next one we want to talk about is setting. You can go into your settings sometimes in the CapCut app to change the language to whatever language you want to use, and this setting part, beginner don't really need to change much, mostly if you are speaking English, because this is definitely English. So the next thing we'll be talking about is editing screen overview. So if you want to talk about editing screen, I want you to follow me with this screen recording I'm doing over here. You import a new video into your timeline right now. So we are talking about editing screen overview. After clicking on new project, CapCut opens the main editing interface. And you should know that this screen has four main areas. This screen we are in right now has four main areas. I talked about this already on my previous video. You can go back and watch to gain more insight as well. So this screen has four main areas. The first one I was talking about is the preview screen. The preview screen is this main screen where you can watch the whole activities on what you are editing. You can tap here. Maybe after your editing, you can quickly move to see if what you edit was nice, or if the color was too much or anything. This is just the preview screen. It appears at the top for you. um this is where you watch your video. You are editing over here. So and over here, buttons here are pause and play. Then this full screen overview I just showed you now. Then the resolution in doctor. Over here you can look at the video you are editing, if the resolution is too high or is too low, if the color you added is too much or is too low. That's what this preview screen does. This screen does not edit, so you know this screen do not do any editing work. It only shows the result. The next one we'll be talking about is the timeline, or should we say the bottom, which is this place over here. This is the timeline. This bottom over here is the timeline. The timeline is where editing happens. Anything you want to do, it happens at the timeline. And we have the audio track and we have the video track. The video track holds your video clips, while the audio track holds your music and your sound effects. Then the next thing we'll be talking about is the playhead. The playhead, or we can call it the white line. Are you seeing this white line over here? Where the playhead is, that is where you are in. That's where you are editing in the video. Wherever you see the line. So if you want to split this line, the line will help you to know where you are splitting. If you want to trim, the line will help you know where you are trimming and all the rest. So the next one we'll be talking about is the main toolbar. The main toolbar. This part is very important. So to see your main toolbar, you tap a video clip first. I already tap on video clip, but over here now, to see your main toolbar, you tap on the video clip. Once you tap on the video clip, that's where the tools change depending on what you select. For the first part, you see edit. This is the toolbar. This part. If you tap a clip, the tools change depending on what you select. So, uh, for edit, For edit, you have the split, the crop, the rotate, the mirror. This is basic video control. Then for audio, if you go back, you see audio. For audio, this is used to add music, sound effects, and extract audio from videos. Maybe while you are in the CapCut app, you are editing, and you find out that the music you want to use for your edit is not on CapCut and it's in another video. This extract audio from video will help you remove the sound from that video and put it on your own video. Yes, you can extract sound from another video and put on your video. Then the next one we'll be talking about is text. It is used to add titles, subtitles, and captions. It includes font. Let's go into text. It includes font. Are you seeing font? Styles, effect, animation. The next one we'll be talking about is stickers. Stickers. Stickers are used for emojis and graphics. It is not recommended for professional videos because it is mostly for fun, maybe comedy videos and all those things. That's what you use stickers for. The next one we're talking about is effects. Effects. You might be seeing effects when you CapCut app and you be like, what is effect? What is effect doing on the what can effect do on my video? So there are so many interfaces here on CapCut. When you find them for the first time, you be like, I don't know the meaning of this. I don't know the meaning of this. But with this video, I'll be able to break down most of the interfaces so you understand and you not mind to use them on your next edit. So effect is used to add visual effect like blur, glitch, shake, and many more on your video. You use effect sparingly, like anyhow you want it. No negative effect. So there is a video effect and there is a body effect. There is also photo effect and AI effect. So if you care to know more, so body effect is all you have to do is just navigate through the effect, and while on your edit you can select anyone that fits best for you. Are you seeing? As you tap on effect, you see what it does on the video. Then the next one we want to talk about is filters. Filters change the color mode of a video. So many people have a sad boring video in a broad daylight. An editor will be like, let me up on this video. An editor is going to use filter to change the entire background. Instead of Using this broad daylight, this sunshine all over the video, you will see this mid, dark, sorrowful mood. These are what editors do. So the next one we'll be talking about is, and make sure always reduce your filter intensity because it has an arrow. Let me take you there. It has an arrow. You can either take it up or take it take it up or take it down. So this is filters. You can select whatever filter you want to use on your video. This is the intensity. You can either reduce it or you can either increase it. So all you have to do is select the one that fits best for your video and you are good to go. Then the next one we'll be talking about is adjust. Adjust is over here already. Adjust is used to manually control brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpen and brilliance and more. This is what I just do. This is where professional editing happen. Me, if I want to edit my video, sometimes I just enter adjust. Sometimes you don't even need to use filter, you don't use to use effect. Just adjust alone. You can make your video that is boring, dark, very shiny, and many more. So that if you tap on adjust over here, I already take us out. So look at adjust here. Are you seeing? Once you are in adjust, you can use all these effects to beautify your video and to enhance your video quality. The next one we'll be talking about is clip specific tools. When a clip is selected, to clip a specific tools is when a clip is selected. When you tap on a clip, new tools appear. That's why sometimes you'll be like, I cannot find so effect, I cannot find so tools. That's because once you tap on the clip, so new tools appear. When you press back, when you tap on the once you tap on the clip, those ones disappear. While once you are in the main frame, you see you see absolutely new tools. So that's how it is. So when you tap on a clip, you see things like speed. You use speed to make your video fast or slow. Normal speed is best for beginners, where normal speed where you just put times 2, times 3, times 4. That's normal speed for beginners. But if you have been following up my videos, you'll be very sure I already talked about advanced, which is over here. Where you can make your video more professional. So, but for the sake of this video, we are talking about CapCut interface. Let's not go deep into any specific areas. So, the speed is useful to make your video fast or slow, and normal speed is best for beginners. Then you go into zoom or crop, which is used to zoom or crop. Are you seeing crop over here? It is used to resize your video, or used to cut out any particular part in your video. So that's what zoom zoom or crop does in your video. Then the next one I want to talk about is transition. Transition. Transition appears between two clips. Over this video now, it's just one single clip. You cannot find any transition over here. So what do? You tap on the clip, then you tap on split. So now you can now add transition at this two joining between these two clips. We say it appears between two clips. As I split now, you see transition appeared already. It is used to connect clips smoothly. Right now, I already split this video and you see how it is just normal. But you can add transition and it will be like a game changer. So let's say something like spare bomb if we want to use this transition. So look at what we are going to get here. Are you seeing? Are you seeing the whole movement of transition? You just add transition to level up your edit, and that was it. Then keyframe. Keyframe is used for advanced motion like smooth zooms. I already talked about keyframe on my channel. So do well to subscribe right now. Visit our channel to watch more videos on how to edit. Okay, let me show you what is keyframe. So to find keyframe, you tap on the clip. You see this diamond sign over here. This is a keyframe. Then overlay. The next one we'll be talking about is overlay. It is used to add videos on top videos. Example, picture on top picture or video on top video. If you want to add video on top video, you want to add picture on top picture. It depends on your type of edit. So this is overlay. If you want to add overlay on top that video we're editing, you can just tap any video or picture and it will look like this. Are you seeing? You can decide to level it up to the main frame, and that's it. You can trim your overlay, so the overlay will just show a bit and your main video continues. Or if you want to add picture, maybe you want to do an advert for somebody and you want to put their banner at the front of the video, you can overlay the banner. This place we added video. Instead, you will add picture. How do you add picture? You tap on photos. You add a picture. That's it. So the next one we'll be talking about is audio tools. Audio tools. To add audio tools, you tap on the audio clip. Once you tap on the audio clip, you will find volume, fade in, fade out, extract, sound effects, record, and many more. All you have to do is choose the one you want to use. Music should be low and clean. Always make sure your music are always low and clean. So next what we'll be talking about is the export button. This is very important. You find it at the top right corner, which is this over here. That's the export button. We are not done with this video, so let me press cancel. So that's the export button. You choose your resolution, choose your frame rate, you choose you export your final video. Make sure you always export with 30 frame per second or 60 frame per seconds. Some common beginner confusion, there will be like tools disappear. Yes, tools disappear, but to find them back, you tap on the clip. You tap on clip. Once you tap on clip, you find those tools that are not showing. Then the next question, the next common beginner confusion is can't edit text. If you want to edit text, you simply go back and tap text. You add text. You can add any text, change font and all. So the next one is video won't move. If your video won't move, you check your timeline zone. If you have over zoomed your video or maybe you are not tapping on the timeline. With this, I've come to the end of today's video. Once you understand the CapCut interface, editing becomes easy, and this video alone will remove 80% of your beginner confusion. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. Make sure you comment interface so I understand you understand what I teach you. So see you on our next video. Bye.